breath of flame and wall of light, stand between me and the night. What is not mine, pass me by. In sacred calm, I now reply. Fending off negativity is a protective spellcraft practice centered on boundary formation, emotional stabilization, and the transmutation of external disturbance into neutral or harmless flow. It is not an act of aggression, but a refinement of personal field integrity, ensuring that what is disruptive cannot easily take root in the practitioner's awareness. In mystical understanding, negativity is not treated as a singular force, but as a spectrum of influences. Intrusive thoughts, emotional projection from others, environmental tension, and internal resonance with fear or doubt. The goal of this working is not to destroy these influences, but to prevent identification with them. Protection in spellcraft begins with awareness. Before any barrier is formed, the practitioner must recognize the difference between what is self-generated and what is externally perceived. Many disturbances lose power simply by being observed without emotional attachment. This act of witnessing is the first layer of defense. Once awareness is stabilized, boundary work begins. The practitioner visualizes a field surrounding the body, not rigid like a wall, but dynamic like a sphere of light. This field does not resist through force. It stabilizes through coherence. Within it, only aligned energy can remain. Breath becomes the structuring mechanism of this field. Inhale draws clarity inward. Exhale releases distortion outward. With repetition, this rhythm creates energetic equilibrium. Lux mea, surround and stay. Turn all harm from me away. Not by fear, nor force, nor fight, but by steady inner light. In advanced interpretation, fending off negativity is not about exclusion alone. It is about transformation at the boundary. When external influence reaches the field, it is met not with hostility, but with neutrality. In this neutral state, disruptive charge dissipates because it finds no emotional structure to attach to. This principle is often described as non-resonance. What does not match your internal frequency cannot stabilize within your field. Thus, strengthening internal clarity becomes the most effective form of protection. Practical reinforcement often includes grounding practices. The practitioner reconnects with physical sensation, feet on ground, awareness of breath, contact with solid surfaces. This prevents over-identification with mental or emotional turbulence. In symbolic traditions, elements may be incorporated with earth for stability and containment, water for emotional release, air for mental clarity, and fire for transformation of residual tension. These are not external forces, but archetypal modes of internal regulation. No shadow holds, no fear remains, no evil weight within my veins. What is not mine dissolves away. I stand in light, and here I stay. Yet caution is essential. Overfixation on negativity can paradoxically amplify its perception. In spellcraft philosophy, attention is amplification. Therefore, The most effective protection is not obsession with threat, but cultivation of stable presence. True shielding is not tension, it is coherence. When the working is complete, the practitioner does not maintain defensive posture indefinitely. Instead, the field is allowed to settle into natural balance. Protection becomes background state rather than active effort. Protection rooted in calm awareness remains self-sustaining. Breath returns to quiet tone. I am stable. I am whole. Nothing evil can define. Only peace remains as mine.